She ran over, she was waiting at the door, jumping up and down. Like, all right, let's go to work, Dad.
Oh!
You ready? I'm gonna start right here. Hey, hey. Take a deep breath in.
Oh my God.
The right leg is like extremely short.
Really?
Excuse me, Goo. Yeah. I think it's the left side going the opposite direction though. So that needs to come back this way. What are you guys doing back there?
They're being very quiet.
Hey!
It's dangerous.
What were you doing? Being bad?
He's so soft.
Oh.